Do you have old photos that looks blurry, faded, or almost lost in time? What if I told you you can restore them with AI for free without changing a single detail? In just minutes, your memories can look brand new again. Just stick around because I will show you exactly how to do that in this video. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright, this is the website we're going to be using for this tutorial, and I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, or you can check the description box below. So now I'm going to once you're here, the first thing you're going to do, once you come in, you have to log in, sign in with your account. So I've already signed in and logged into an account. So now what you're going to now do is, on this side you have this, on yours might be seeing battle mode. Just ensure you're on direct. Just click on direct. Then once you're on direct, you come over here and ensure you click on this image. You're on image mode. If you're on text mode, it's going to give you different tools for text. Just going to bring out tools for basically for text, but I want to do image, so that's why I have to switch to image mode. So now once you're here, I'm going to I'll be making use of the first one. That's the Gemini 3.1. So I'm going to just pick this first one. Now I'm going to now bring in my image. On this ad, I'm going to bring in the image I want to upscale. So now let me say, for example, let me just pick this particular image. Then I will now bring it in. Let's say I want to upscale this particular image to something better. So what I'm going to now do, I'm going to now just add in this prompt. Now I'm going to be leaving this prompt in the description box below, so you can also use it. So just check it out. Check the description box below so you see this particular prompt. After doing that, I'm going to click on send. So once I click on send, I'm going to allow it to do its work. All right, you can see it's generating my image. So what I'll just do is just patiently just wait for it to finish its work. You can see it's done generating. Right now it's generating the preview for me. So I'm just going to just wait for it. Okay, you can see it has gone ahead to upscale this particular image for me. Okay, let me try. I'm going to try with some other different image and see. Now I'm going to add click on it and bring in the image. I think I've done this image. I've done this before to give me this. So let's just see the output. Now I'm going to now use the same prompt and now click on send. So once I do that, I think it's still loading. So once it's finished loading, I can see it has sent the image. Now after that I'll be doing the preview of the generated results, so that that's the before image and also the after image, so that you see how it looks like, the difference in the two images. So you can see it has finished generating the image for me. So let me just quickly just download this image. You can just click here and just do save as, or you can just let me quickly just save this first. So you can just click on it, or you can just click on this to download the image. So now let me now do the preview of the before of this, especially this particular one, and show you the after so that you see how it looks like. So you can see this is the after results of this particular image, and now this is the before. So you can see how it's transformed this image. You can see the transformation. Can you see the total transformation? So how I've been able to transform this particular image, how the image was looking very dull, and you can see the new results. Who will believe that this image was gotten from this? So you can see how I was able to transform this. So you can also try this trick and get your old pictures, get those old boring pictures of yours and give them some life to it. So why not try out this prompt and tell me in the description if it actually worked for you. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.